Welcome back to Cooking with Nkiru. Today I am sharing a simple, incredibly delicious recipe, creamy coconut lentil soup. This one-pot dish is rich, comforting, and packed with warm spices. Plus, it is healthy, budget-friendly, and perfect for meal prep. Let's get started. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup lentils already rinsed, 1 cup coconut milk, 1 celery stalk diced, 1 carrot diced, 1 medium onion chopped, 1 shallot chopped. This is optional, but it adds flavor. 4 cloves garlic minced, 1 teaspoon ground coriander, half teaspoon pepper flakes or to your taste, half teaspoon paprika, half teaspoon ground turmeric, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 14-ounce can diced tomatoes, 4 cups vegetable broth, juice of half a lemon, salt, and freshly ground black pepper to taste. You can use parsley or cilantro for garnish. Now that we have everything ready, let's cook. Heat up oil in a pot over medium heat. First, we are adding our chopped onions, garlic, shallot, carrots, and celery. Let these cook for about 5 minutes until they are soft and fragrant. Remember, this is the base for the soup, so don't rush the step. It is time for flavor. I'm adding cumin, coriander, turmeric, paprika, and chili flakes. Stir for about a minute to wake up those delicious spices. Next, add the rinsed lentils, vegetable broth, and diced tomatoes. Give it a good stir. Cover it and bring it to a boil. After bringing it to a boil, scoop any scum and discard. Give it a good stir again, cover it, and allow it to simmer for 25 to 30 minutes until the lentils are tender. This next step is optional. I want it creamy, so I'm going to use an immersion blender to blend some parts of the soup. If you don't have an immersion blender, use the blender you have. Just take a cup or 2 of soup, allow it to cool, blend it in your blender, and add it back to the pot. Now for the magic ingredient, coconut milk. This makes the soup extra creamy and smooth. Stir it in and let it simmer for another 5 minutes to meld the flavors. Time to bring it all together. Now add the ground black pepper, salt, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice for a bright, fresh flavor. Look at this bowl of deliciousness. So creamy, rich, and flavorful. My kitchen is filled with this amazing aroma. And the taste? This is so good. The coconut milk makes it extra creamy, and the spices give it that warm, cozy feel. Perfect for chilly days or when you need a nourishing meal. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious meals. Let us know in the comments your favorite way of enjoying lentils. See you in the next video. Happy cooking.